Good morning, my lovely world. Today's adventure is at the Kern River. Oh my god, I cannot pronounce this word, but it's Kern River, and it's only 2 hours away from Los Angeles. And for my new members of my lovely world, my name is Hernandez, and I do videos about my traveling adventures. This video starts now. There was not much to see on the first stop, so we have decided to come straight to the second stop, and this is where we're gonna set up our picnic and enjoy our beautiful day at the river. Oh, there's also hot springs here, so I'm super excited. It's always good to bring that one friend that has been here before because he knows all the routes, the best spots, and right now the spot that we are about to go to is a spot where you have the hot springs and the river on the other side. So we're gonna have hot and cold water and an amazing, beautiful day. It's really, really hot. I love the summer in California. They are still cleaning the other pools there, so it's very, very loud, and I forgot my mic. And we're going to that pool down there. It's not as hot as this one right behind me, but I want the cold one. Ready to start our hydrotherapy. I think that's the way it is called in English. So hot pool and then cold pool. We have to wait just 1 more hour until they finish cleaning the last pool. There's 3 pools of hot springs, and then we can relax because the noise of the machine is very powerful. My friend is gonna do I don't know what he's doing. Building us a swing or something to enjoy while we're here. Oh my god. Finally, they finished cleaning all the hot pools down there. And it is time to relax and enjoy this beautiful afternoon. I'm gonna give you all the information down here so you guys can come and visit this magical place. If you live in Los Angeles, it's only 2 hours away. And now I am enjoying my hammock that my friend just hung to this beautiful tree. Oh my god, the breeze is so beautiful. I love it. The simple things in life are the things that I enjoy the most. To see this other side of the river, you can totally camp here. The camping area It's on the opposite side where I'm standing right now, but this area of the river is amazing. You can just have your tent right there, your blanket, your picnic, and the river is right there. We were on the opposite side because we wanted to see the hot springs and experience that. And I think we're gonna do a third stop. So far we have done 3 stops around the river. The first one we didn't really stay that long because there was not much to see. We wanted to really experience the hot springs, and now we're gonna spend like a few more minutes here and then we're gonna go to another spot, I think so. Driving back home, we found this really nice cute shop where you find candy from all around the United States. You're not allowed to take pictures or record inside, but it's like very old school, like old-fashioned candy store. This is a bathroom. Is this the bathroom? Oh, that's the bathroom. Okay, so this is not the bathroom. I know my hair is covering my entire face. That's the bathroom? Okay, I'm going to the bathroom. We are honestly in the middle of nowhere in the desert. So we decided to go back home on the opposite side. So we go through the desert. That's it. There's only one candy store and nothing else. Found the Cappadocia of California. Guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you learned something new, a new spot to come. If you are in Los Angeles, it's just 2 hours away. It's an amazing, beautiful spa full of nature, full of positive energy. So if you guys enjoyed my video, if you learned something new, thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button. The air is driving me crazy here. And I see you next Sunday. Ciao, ciao.